Were you thinking of having crab soup or something?
Crab
Maybe.
rangoon.
Hell yeah.
Somebody goes that.
Not gonna lie, I don't have a lot of threat on this charger right now.
Is the charger more fun or is Python?
Comms clear, please. Let's just try and kill this so we can wrap up for the night. Run.
Quickly, get everyone in and close the walkway door.
Beautiful. Oh.
I can't see the bull again, so I'm hoping it's close.
We got it,
Access
we
the
got it.
control room
Yeah, nice.
console with Rattler's ID
Ow.
card.
We are probably getting two. Maybe.
No, it's stuck.
I'm getting brutal. Wait, I can't. Can someone please res brutal?
Stop me, I'm alive.
Sorry, since it looked like I said brutal ritual. Wrong person.
Holding pen's power.
Someone get synthesis ritual up, please. Thunder, this is your flare when it
5
Yep.
seconds, no one rest.
Give it a sec.
I think now, if you can.
Alright.
Yeah.
Power
You
restored.
can get the other rest.
Scanning. Alert. Unauthorized life forms detected in control room. Initiating warden protocol.
3 seconds. Oh, doesn't matter. Next flare is yours.
Yep.
At least the shield is holding.
Oh, no way.
Holding pen's power.
I think I'm briefing.
Oh, look good.
I got the Reaper in 1 second. I'm just gonna have to wait a sec, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go.
Flare in 3.
Flare's up.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm waiting way longer than that. Oh, this is cursed. Okay, got a Reaper.
Let me know when it flare.
3 seconds.
Could you take this Reaper back?
Flare
off
in
me?
3.
This is
Yeah.
just what it's gonna have to be. I'm sorry. It's 20% at least. That's all I got.
Hey, good enough.
Oh, never mind. It's gonna die, actually, I think. Yeah, it died anyway. Huge.
That's good. Hey, good job. You beat the rest of us.
Flare in 3.
Oh, dude, I shouldn't have. Holy shit. Okay. Can bring.
Flare in 3.
Yeah, nice. Huge.
I think that's the last flare either of us have.
I'm
I've
gonna
got 2.
take off you. Just. I'll bring it in.
Oh, yeah, you've got 2, so
Everybody on the side, that's right.
I don't know when it's running out, so just be aware.
That'll be no.
Class buffs. Divine, can you get ready to click?
The droids are down. Use the console.
We did
Can I
it.
just say there's 4 stims here? What the fuck?
Yeah. I think people undertook this time because they were scared of taking the last two.
We went from overcompensating to
Yeah,
undercompensating.
It's probably safer, to be honest.
Yeah.
I forgot again.
Oh, well, thank you everyone. We got it down. Took 2 hours, but so good. We're nice and delicious.
This is way harder than
So we'll start with Trados next week, everyone. Good-oo.
Sounds good.
all the land.
Yeah, sorry, I was definitely a bit newer at taking the balls, so it took me
Oh,
a
don't
bit
worry,
to
that was how.
Yeah, you did well. And Aki, first time, I think, doing bull in the room, so GG to all. So thanks for
was
filling.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for filling, everyone. We had quite a lot of fills tonight. It was one of those nights with a